You learn that charges create an electric field that surrounds the space around them. In Chapter 24, we're going to talk about not the electric field, but the magnetic field. And you're already familiar with one source of the magnetic field, magnets. I have a large flat magnet here with a North Pole and a South Pole. And there is a magnetic field that goes from the North Pole to the South Pole, and it goes through space. We can detect its presence by using a paper clip. And it turns out this paper clip will line itself up with the magnetic field of the magnet. And as it moves from the North Pole to the South Pole, the paper clip tips, and what it's doing is it's following the lines of the magnetic field. So imagine lines going through space from the North Pole to the South Pole. Those are the lines of the magnetic field. Well, the field lines point from the North Pole to the South Pole, so they go in this direction. And that is why a compass lines up as it does. If I bring in a compass, the compass lines itself up so that the red arrow points in the direction of the magnetic field lines that go from the North Pole to the South Pole. Now, you've seen compasses used before to tell directions on Earth, and a compass points itself towards the Earth's north geographic pole. So a compass will line itself up so that it points north. But now we want you to think about the Earth's magnetic pole structure. A compass lines itself up so that it points towards the north geographic pole. Given that, what can you say about the magnetic nature of the Earth's geographic North Pole? We'll give you some choices. If a compass points itself towards the Earth's north geographic pole, it must be a magnetic South Pole, because field lines come out of the South Pole of the Earth and they go to the North Pole. So they're going towards the North Pole. A compass lines itself up to point towards the North Pole. And so the south geographic pole of the Earth is actually a north magnetic pole. The north geographic pole of the Earth is actually a south magnetic pole. And so compasses line themselves up so that they point north. And we'll use compasses to detect magnetic fields, but there are other sources of magnetic fields other than permanent magnets and the Earth. And we'll look at some of those sources in the next segment.